In progress.
Namaskar, welcome to fortune telling training. Today it's a most interesting one. I am introducing LAGHU PRASHNA, UP HORARY. With this, it is based on such particular shloka, and that application is modified where it is required and then presented. Now, presently, this shloka says, Prishtodayeshu सिद्ध्यत्य अशुभम मूर्धोदयेषु शुभमुक्तम उभोदये विमिश्रम ग्रहरते अभ्यफलम वाच्यम. So this is the shloka. So Pushtodayeshu Siddhyatya Shubham, that is one part. It is basically what it says is tail raising signs. They give malefic results. That is, if it is Lagna, then Mordodayeshu Shubhamuktam. The head rising signs will become beneficial results. Ubodaye Vimishram. It is the dual rising signs that give mixed results. Now, there is one thing here. Graha Rahityebhya, that is, Lagna should not have any planets. The condition is Lagna should not have any planets. That is, Pushtodaya signs, that is, a tail raising signs will give bad results. Head rising tail signs will give good results. Then Ubhodaya will give mixed result. And the condition is the rising Lagna should not have planet. Now, explanation, what is a Lagna? Because we are talking about Prashna, LAGHU PRASHNA. For us, the fundamental reason is Lagna will be 2 hours approximately in India. Sometimes it will be more, sometimes it will be less, based upon the longitude and latitude of the places. Now, Prashna cannot have, you will have to wait 2 hours for each Prashna. There will be Prashnas very shortly. But only thing is, because there is a system for any Prashna, there should be some prayer. Every Prashna, every time you took a Prashna, there should be a prayer. And Navagrahas are to be prayed. The Ishta devata, kuladevatha, whomever you have belief, and then Guru, all this prarthana has to be done. So it takes time. Then once you do that, then you cast the chart. But what happens? You get a Lagna. So what is that we have taken here is you have to select a Navamsha Lagna. That is most important. Because every 13 or 14 minutes Amsha will be changing. Then you may get a different Lagnas. That is important. That Lagna, Amsha Lagna, should not have any planets. That is the condition. Then the Lagna is longer than this. So therefore, we can take Amsha. But circumstantially, we can take for other Amsha also. That is another advanced stage. We can go for other Amshas. There are Shodasha Amshas, are there? Anyone we can take it. That selection has to be done. There is a method to select what is to be selected. That is a different question. But basically, for general purposes, Navamsha is taken. So that Lagna, Navamsha Lagna, should not have any part in the birth chart. You take the Navamsha, you go to the Navamsha, then take that Lagna and bring back to the Rashi chart. In that Rashi chart, when the Navamsha Lagna falls, that should be free from any planet. That is the idea. Clear? Now, for example, let us say, today at 9:52, the Lagna is Vrishchika Lagna. Here, ascendant is Vrishchika Lagna, right? But the Navamsha goes to Tulamsha. Navagraha Tulamsha. In Tula, you have got planets here. That is, the Navamsha Lagna has got planets here. Therefore, this you cannot have Prashna for this based on this Lagna. We cannot apply this shloka. Hence, the person, that is, it means the person who has come for Prashna or who has put the Prashna is not destined to get the answer. That is the orbital providence. That means the person who comes for the Prashna, if he is lucky, he will get the answer. Sometimes equally that is applicable to the person also. Suppose the Lagna itself is got bad planets, then there is some problem with you. You have to pray again, put the Prashna, again do it. But it may in the Prashna Lagna you may have planets, but in Amsha it may not be there. So that means he should once again pray, because if the Lagna has got pain, that is the astrologer himself has got some problem in the head. So he should pray for some time and then again put the Prashna. Or pray and then continue with it, provided the Amsha Lagna has got pray. For little behind, if we go to 852, if I put the chart, 852, Lagna becomes Tula. There are planets here. Planets are here. That means in these circumstances, I have to pray for some time and then start. That means there's some bad vibration is there that has to be removed. So it is telling Mars and Ketu is there. There's something connected with the Mars and Ketu. So Mars and Ketu, Anjaneya Swami, we pray for Anjaneya Swami, we pray for Ganesha, and for where it is Venus is there, we can pray for Venus also. That depends upon where Venus is placed. So once you do that, then you can go ahead, provided the Amsha should not have any plan. Now, when you put the chart at 852, the Amsha falls in Mithuna Amsha. In Lagna, there is no planet in Prashna Lagna chart, there is no planet in Mithuna. Therefore, this question can be answered. This is the fundamentals. Application is different. We have to go for application. I think you are clear about all these things, right? If you are not clear, anyway, you are going to join the Telegram group. You can put your questions there. I will answer there. I may conduct a small class on this and you can get the answers done. Okay. Now, next thing is application part. Now, you should know what are the thing is, the question is Shirshodaya. What are the shloka it is Shirshodaya? What is Shirshodaya? That is head rising signs. I have put the head marks here. One, that is, you see, from Aries, let us say, Gemini is a head rising sign, Leo is a head rising sign, Virgo is a head rising sign, Libra is a head rising sign, Scorpio is a head rising sign, right? This is the Shirshodaya. What does it say? If a Lagna rises in Shirshodaya sign, Siddhi, fulfillment, Samruddhi, that is success and progress, Sampatti, wealth, all these things can be related. Any questions relating to this can be answered positively if the Lagna rising is, that is, Navamsha Lagna, falling that it falls. If there are no planets in that, then this sign will answer. You can give a positive answer to that. Positive answer to that question. For example, Siddhi fulfillment. Will I get a marriage? Will I get a job? Will I get a property? Will I win in the case? All these things can be told. Shirshodaya sign. Suppose if it is Pushtodaya sign. What are the Pushtodaya signs? I have marked with the snake here. Pushtodaya signs, tail raising. What is it? Aries, Vrishava. Aries, that is Mesha, Vrishava, Taurus, Cancer, Karkataka, then Sagittarius, then Capricorn, Dhanush and Makara. All these signs are Pushtodaya. If this is rising in the Navamsha, then Dukkha, grief, Vedha, difference of opinion, differences, Durlabha, difficulties, and not able to get, unable to get, then Vyaya, expenditure, Droha, offense, right? Cheating. Then hani, loss, failures. All this can be. The question is, will I get an examination pass or failure? Will I get a job? Or will I get win the case? All these things can be answered here. Then only one sign is there, Ubodhaya, that is Ubodhaya is only one sign, that is Pisces. If this becomes Lagna, then if it is less than 15 degrees, the Lagna is against 50, the first result of number one, that is, it is Siddhi. It is Shirshodaya. You can take it as a Shirshodaya. If the Lagna is more than degrees, the result second followed by the results of number one. Sorry. If the Lagna is less than 15 degrees, the first result is number one, right? Followed by second. That is first result. First you will get good result. Then followed with result of second. That means you get something and then lose it also. That is, you get a good result and also you will get a bad result. First good result, then bad result. If the Lagna is more than 15 degrees, first bad result, then good result. So this is how you have to decide for dual Lagna. What is the rapid rules? Note the Navamsha Lagna sign the Prashna time chart. You put a chart, you note the Prashna time, then you do the Lagna there, then find out where the Navamsha Lagna falls and find out where it falls. Then you find out, take the Navamsha chart, take the Lagna, then go to the Navamsha, then find out which Navamsha it is there. In that Navamsha where it falls, whether it's Shirshodaya, Prashtodaya, or Ubodhaya in birth chart. There should not be any planet in it. Announce the results for the query. Based on that, you announce the result. Simple. Now, what we have to do is, everything you have to test. At 10:10, that at 10:10 on 8/10/2023, the question was put. Will LAGHU PRASHNA be successful? This is the Prashna I have put. Now, Lagna is Scorpio. 15 degrees, 18 minutes, right? Amsha count. For Amsha, you have to count from Cancer. I'm just giving an idea as how to take. Instead of going to an Amsha, you can count by yourself. So 320 here. Then next Amsha is up to 640. Next Amsha is up to 10 degrees. Next Amsha is 1320. Next Amsha is 1640. That means it is coming to same Scorpio, because 15 degrees 18 minutes is there, it falls in the Scorpio only. That means this is Scorpio is what? Scorpio is Shirshodaya. Therefore, Siddhi, fulfillment. Then not only that, now we can go further. It's Vargottama. Same Lagna also. Then it is more authenticated because the astrologer himself is involved in this. Because the astrologer himself is involved in this. The question will belong to him. Therefore, what he is doing is also, it is indicating. It is also good. Vargottama. The work which you have done has got something credibility. Then authenticated. And then the Vrishchika is natural secret and research sign. So it's a research work. Lord Mars has gone to Tula. Again a head raising sign. Mars has gone to Tula. Head raising sign. That means the effort, the astrologer, the astrologer and the Prashna, everything has got double power. That means this is going to work out for anybody. So this is the basis of this LAGHU Prashna. Then what you call it, that in input, I hurry up Horary. So you can answer any of these questions. And then in the next system, I'll tell you, sometimes I will also put a question to ask for the timing. That also can be told. That for that, I will make another video subsequently, then I'll tell you there. So thank you very much. Hope you have understood the whole concept. You share the video, like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and then subscribe to the Telegram channel also. You are getting all these notes there itself in Telegram, so you can use it. So thank you very much.